100% version here from Nadula. Hey guys, do not mind my voice. I'm literally just getting over being sick. But as you can tell by the video, this is a Nadula unboxing review type video. Okay, so I just got my package in the mail. I opened it up to make sure it was my hair first, but it came in this. Okay. And this is what it came in. Okay, so I'm opening it up. Oh. It came with 2 packs of eyelashes. 1. And I think the second pair is the same thing. But yeah, it came with. And then I have my bundle. This is the 18-inch. Okay, so this right here is the 18-inch. I'm not gonna feel it yet until I see everything that's in my box. This right here is the 18-inch. And this right here is the 16. And last but not least is the closure piece. Okay, so this is the closure. It's in a net. Oh my god, it's so soft. And I'm pretty sure this is a 3-part closure. Oh my god, it's so soft. Petrol weave. Oh no! You ain't freaking with me. I'm a mess. I am too silly. Let me put this back. So this right here is the 16-inch closure. And that's everything that was inside the box. So you can follow Nadula at Nadula Hair. The YouTube Nadula Hair. Yeah. So that was how it looks inside. And I'm gonna feel one of the 18 inches. So there is a rubber band right here to keep the inch in place. Because if you move the rubber band, it's gonna slide out like this. Okay, so ooh, lady. That wave is just so beautiful. I regret getting it maybe, I think, 2 months before I'm supposed to get it in. Yes. Oh my goodness. That is life. Oh my goodness, it feels so soft. There's no shedding. But of course, it's because I just got it. Like, yeah, no shedding. Let's smell it. It smells like hair. It doesn't stink. It doesn't anything like that. Oh. And the webs are pretty thick. That's good. And I am 4'11". And I remember looking at videos and was like, they're showing me the length, but I don't know how tall they are, so I don't know where it's gonna go on me. So this is 18 inches, and I'm 4'11". So it stops right here. And that is in wavy state. Straightened, I'm pretty sure will stop right here. And from the back, don't mind me, I unbuttoned my pants. I'm home from school. So, I'm tired. Oh my God, look at my ear. Okay, so like this is so soft. I will most definitely recommend this to you guys. Unprocessed, 100% virgin hair from Nadula. It's really soft. I can see myself all night just brushing my little fingers through it all night. Just keep doing this. It's just so soft. I can't even. I want to see what the 16 is going to be too. So I'm ready to open up my 16-inch and feel that. I know it's the same like hair and everything. By the way, as you can see, this is body wave. So I swear I cannot wait to get my birthday bundles from Nadula, because I most definitely purchase from them again. Because this hair is just... Whew. And of course, I am going to do a review when I get them in. I'm going to review the hair. Just, you know, month review, you know. Making sure the hair is still looking good. And if it's shedding or not. Because right now you can barely tell because I'm just opening it up. And y'all see my braids? My best friend did them. I just got them done maybe like a week ago. So this right here is a 16-inch. It is, oh my God, do y'all see that? Like, it is life in hair. Life rolled up in hair. You feel me? And I'm not going to make this video all long talking about Nadula bundles. But I am going to let you know that these are amazing. And what made me want to make a video on this is because I seen a lot of YouTubers doing it. I just wanted to see if it was like a, oh yeah, I'm just going to say it's good because, you know, I want to say it, or because famous people got it. Like, This right here is 100% true. This is really good here. Yes, oh my goodness. And this right here is 16, so like 16 probably gonna be like right here on my head. This is very pretty. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, it's gorgeous. So, I will recommend you guys to buy this hair. I have the link to this hair in my subscription. Description. Doesn't matter. That little thing laying down there, you better tap on it and see where I got my hair. The link is gonna be right there. The links to what I have is gonna be in there because, of course, you guys need to know which ones I got. You can be like, oh, I want what she got. Yeah, but like, yes. And of course, I'm gonna get my closure snatched. You're gonna be like, closure lace wear. Lace closure wear. Like, come on now. I'm ready to be a whole snake out here. Too bad I gotta wait 2 months to put it in. But yeah. Put this back in. Put it in storage. You know, storage is in my dresser until May. So, so yeah. And I got a lot of stuff to do now. I have to do my biology project. And I have to clean the bathroom. Actually, before this video, and I wanted to look at these eyelashes. You know, they could be a little ugly, cheap lashes. I do like mink lashes. 2 layers. No, it's not. It's cute and everything, but like, they not all that. You feel me? But yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press that subscription bar down there. It's red. Just tap on it and be my somethingth follower. Like and comment on this video. Just show me love. Until we meet again.